Hello everyone, welcome to Asian Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the announcement of GATE 2026 Core Booster Series on Ace Engineering Academy's YouTube channel. So, it is specifically for all the engineering domains: electronics, electrical, CSE, mechanical, civil, data science, artificial intelligence, and instrumentation. And also, GATE Booster Series specifically, why? Because we'll be only talking about NAT and MSQ questions, because major chunk of all the kind of technical questions which are asked in when we talk about GATE examination, it is NAT and MSQs only. We'll see the data as well corresponding to that. By the way, it is starting from 20th of December 2025. Every day it will be there. I'll share the schedule shortly for all the engineering domains. It will start from 7 p.m. every day, starting from 20th of December 2025. Now, when we talk about the type of questions which are asked and also the number of questions which are asked, we all know about this. All the questions which are asked are either of 1 mark and 2 marks. 15 marks are specifically for general aptitude and respective engineering discipline, including mathematics questions, will be 55 questions, 85 marks. And out of that, 2 marks are 35 questions and 1 mark are 30 questions total. Right? Total 65 questions, 100 marks, 3 hours of exam. Everyone knows about it. Negative marking is only there in MCQ type questions. Multiple choice questions will be having negative marking, not MSQs and NATs. So when we talk about NATs and MSQs, they have no negative marking, right? This is the major pro of these two type of questions. But we also need to keep in mind, collectively they account for 40 to 60% of the total questions which are asked in GATE examination, right? With electrical stream being the least, having the number of questions in the last 3 years. When we talk about, the range is from 40 to 60% out of the total percent of questions which are asked. Right, in electrical, somewhere around 39%, 38% of questions have been NATs and MSQs, and rest MCQ type questions. When we talk in terms of total number of questions, if I talk in terms of only the technical questions which are asked, the number is somewhere close to 55%, 45%, right? And when we talk about CSE and mechanical engineering being the highest number being the streams with the highest number of NATs and MSQ questions. 60% of the total questions are NATs and MSQs in these two streams, and also civil close to 58% in the last 3 years, 23, 24 and 25. When we talk in terms of the technical questions only, the number is way high, around it is reaching 70% in these two streams. So students need to be careful and diligent in practicing these type of questions, and this is the main motto of this Core Booster series, right? Because major chunk of questions you will see that these are NATs and MSQs, and students find MSQ questions very tricky, especially if they are not preparing for engineering service questions or engineering service examination. If they are not going for that, they kind of face difficulty in solving MSQ questions specifically, right? So when we talk about civil engineering in the last 3 years for both shift 1 and 2, the percentage remains the same for shift 1 and 2 every time for the last 3 years. You can see MSQ questions have been 7 and NAT have been around 22 to 23 questions. When we talk about computer science, MSQ questions have been, very high number of questions in 2025. Suddenly they doubled the number of MSQ questions in 2025. You can see it completely over here. Right, in the previous 2 years, the percentage was very, very less. But in 2025, they drastically increased the percentage of MSQ questions in 2025. In computer science, shift 1 and 2 both. Apart from that, when we talk about mechanical engineering, as you can see, NAT are 34 questions, 35 questions, and 5 to 4 questions for MSQs for mechanical engineering. Electronics and communication, for the last 3 years, you can see there is an equal distribution. There is an equal distribution for MSQ and NAT questions, 14 to 16 in MSQ questions, and 15 about for NAT. Electrical being an examination, a stream with least number of MSQ questions in the last 3 years. As you can see, 2 to 4 questions for MSQ questions, and NATs ranging from 21 to 22 questions. Apart from that, data science, artificial intelligence, approximately equal percentage, not equal, but higher number of MSQ questions in data science, artificial intelligence, and entities being on a lesser side. The rest of the questions are your MCQ questions. Though you can see the percentage of NATs and MSQs is quite high in GATE examination. So one need to keep in mind the adversities with respect to these two type of questions, the kind of problems you can face during the examination. So obviously, the score booster series cannot replace the importance of test series. Test series is very, very important. You cannot replace that. But with this series, it is our motto that we can help you guide what should be your approach and how to rectify your mistakes in the test series as well. So when we talk about the schedule, you can see computer science schedule from 20th, 22nd and 23rd of December. These are the considerations. Engineering mathematics, first part will be considered for 20th of December, 22nd numerical ability, and 23rd will be computer and networks. 24th of December DBMS, 25th of December operating systems, 26th of December will be theory of computation, 27th of December computer organization, 28th of December compiler design, 29th of December programming languages, 30th of December digital logic, 31st algorithms, 1st of January data structures, 2nd of January discrete mathematics. Data science and artificial intelligence, 20th again common. Engineering mathematics, part 1, which will be your probability calculus. Apart from that, mathematics part 2, again 21st of December, 22nd of December numerical ability, 24th of December DBMS, 26th of December basics and programming in Python, 27th December machine learning, 28th December artificial intelligence, 29th of December programming language, 31st of December algorithms, 1st of January data structures. Electrical and electronics, you can see over here, 20th will be your engineering mathematics again, and part 2 of engineering mathematics, 21st of December, 22nd of December again numerical ability. So these three are common for all the engineering domains. Apart from that, 23rd of December control systems, 24th of December digital, 25th of December analog, 26th of December networks, 27th signals and systems, 28th machines, 29th power systems, 31st power electronics, 30th measurements, 1st of January EMF. Electronics and communication, you can see over here, 20th, 21st and 22nd again common, 23rd it will be control systems, 24th will be digital, 25th will be analog, 26th will be networks, 27th signals and systems. Apart from that, 28th communication, 29th EMTL, 30th would be EDC. Civil engineering, 20, 21 and 22 common again. 23rd will be fluid mechanics, 24th will be strength of materials, 25 will be engineering mechanics, 26 will be transportation, 27 structural analysis, 28 sail structures, 29 geotechnical engineering, 30th hydrology and irrigation, 31st RCC and PSC, 1st of January surveying, 2nd of January environmental engineering, 3rd of January OCF, and 4th of January CPM PERT, right? And mechanical engineering last, you can see again 20, 21, 22 same, 23rd fluid mechanics same for civil and mechanical engineering, 24th strength of material same for civil and mechanical engineering, 25th engineering mechanics, 26th thermal, 27 IM and OR, 28 material science, 29 production, 30th applied thermodynamics, 31st will be machine design, 1st will be theory of machines, 2nd will be your heat transfer and production, right? So these are the schedule for various subjects of all the engineering domains. Stay updated with respect to the series, right? Do attend this series live on ACE Engineering Academy's YouTube channel. It will be a very good opportunity for you to upscale your preparation journey, right? Like this video, share it with your friends if you think it will be helpful for them. Subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.